Guys, in this video, I will be taking a quick look at the charts and the price action of the hottest project for the past days. And I will also give you my personal opinion on Cardano and what is happening with Cardano and why it's actually not going up. So stay with me in this video and we will take a deep look into them. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Dr. Crypto is back, and in this video I will be taking a look at all of this favorite project, of course in the chart, and about the price and what we're seeing actually in the chart. We will go through them, and I will also talk about Cardano, giving my personal opinion why it's not actually going up after the smart contract being launched and all these talks that going on. So anyways, I will jump into the chart for Solana, POLKADOT, AVALANCHE, ALGORAND, COSMOS, TEZOS, ELROND very quick, as quick as possible, and we'll look what is actually happening. These are all projects that I covered since I opened this channel in YouTube in the past 15-16 days, and actually before all this nice ride to the upside, I probably mentioned all of them to you. So anyways guys, before we jump into it, just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. I really appreciate that. That's all I ask for. And of course, I'm a fan of all of this project, to be honest, if you followed my channel. So if you are also hodling them, all of them or some of them, smash the like button and let's spread this video throughout the YouTube, make everybody understand about the massive potential of all these altcoins. So guys, I don't want to waste more time because we have a lot to jump into it. I had to put more, actually there were more altcoin to add to this list, but I thought one video is gonna be a lot for one video. So let's start with Cardano. I don't want to see the chart of the Cardano. Sorry if you were waiting for it. I just want to give you my personal opinion on Cardano very quick. Well, Cardano, my most favorite project since 2017. I was buying into it. Okay, so that should make you understand that I have nothing against Cardano. And ADA, basically you can count me definitely in ADA army. But why is it rate-wise not going up? Because they were saying, oh my goodness, that a smart contract being launched in September, I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago, and then the Cardano gonna be parabolic. Guys, please make some sense out of try to be logical. Okay, buying into Cardano, I'm not saying Cardano is not going up. When I was actually accumulating Cardano for, it was like 13 cents or 10 cents or something just 1 year ago, I was giving my price prediction $5 for Cardano, and to be honest, many of my friends, they were not believing me. All right, but it's actually getting there. But what I'm saying, it's 75 billion of market cap, guys. Buying today into Cardano, you should be so bullish on it, because if you want to basically double up your money, which I think everybody at least expect that in the crypto market, then this market cap should actually double up, and then it would be 150 billion of market. Is too, I think, early at this level for such a market cap for Cardano. Quick personal opinion, guys, before the smart contract launch into the Cardano, there was a hype actually that, oh my goodness, a smart contract are being launched in Cardano. So that had a huge impact on the price. But since a smart contract actually launched, now the functionality matters. Okay, if you're following me in Twitter, I just tweeted the same and said the same. Now functionality matters. Now is the time to see if Cardano is the real platform for the future for the dApps and the smart contracts. Now is the time to look how many developers will develop project on Cardano. And if it really is the best to compete with Ethereum or whatever they're saying, then now is the time, is just starting to show it up. So that's why I believe the hype is over, that we are getting to the Cardano smart contract launch. Now everybody is sitting, smart money, sitting and watching to see if Cardano is really functional and it really will deliver what it promised for the past probably 4 or 5 years. All right, I don't want to make it longer because I want to make the video as short as possible so we won't waste time. That's Cardano. Let me know about your opinion about Cardano. Now, Solana, one of the favorite project. It was the most crazy probably in the last 2 weeks, probably 2-3 weeks. 14% down for the past 7 days, 13% down for the past 24 hours. Should we be surprised about Solana? I really don't think so. Retracement is normal thing of the market. Now look at this, right, guys? This is weekly. Look at this, right? You really didn't want to have retracement if you were not expecting that, so you have to educate yourself a little bit, to be honest with you. Now I'm trying to put this fib. Yeah, well, it's I put the swing high from here, swing low from here, just imagining that we're just having this breakout and having the right to the up. I wanted to see until what point we went. Actually, we went to the super maximum of everything, right? Guys, my personal opinion, first of all, let me mention that nothing in this video should be taken as a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not certified for that. We have to make this clear. You have to do your own research and invest or trade whatever you want. You have to make your own mind. I'm not there to advise you, but here we all do in this channel, in this community, just to give some friendly ideas to each other, so maybe we can help each other. So guys, this one what I see in Solana at the moment, for me, if you're asking me, I'm not buying into it. Why? Because for me it's like it's smashed all of the fib retracement, and it was crazy. I mean, if I want to choose a project to buy into something, I don't really accumulate because I have all of them. But if I want to accumulate more, which I am actually doing at the moment, then to be honest with you guys, it's not Solana at this moment. If it continues going higher and higher, then actually I will be happy with my bag. But to be honest, I have actually reduced a little bit of my bag, investing to other project that I will be talking about now in the USDT, which I'm actually not so interested to look at the USDT when it comes to altcoin. Yeah, this is something for me. Looking, we already smashed all of the fib levels, so for me it's not that. So otherwise, Cardano, Solana is just great. I'm agree with you if you're saying that. But let's move to Polkadot. Polkadot, I think I posted it some days ago when it was about $32. I said, the video is right in my channel, you can go and watch it. I said Polkadot has a massive potential, okay, before this ride starts. Now, based on what did I say that? Based on just comparison. I mean, you have to understand, I explained for you that these are, just forget about Chainlink in this page, all of others, they are Ethereum-like projects, okay? I don't name them Ethereum killer, I say Ethereum-like project. They are just similar to each other, okay? They are just similar to each other with a slight difference, okay? But at the end of the day, they are competitors of each other, fine. Now, with having that kind of understanding, Polkadot had, they were all running together, while Polkadot had a long time of retracement and waiting. This was one of the reasons that I said Polkadot will catch up with its competitor at some point. But was it the only reason that I said that? No, of course not. I was also taking a look at the charts, and I said, these are all the drawing I given, I like to go through the stuff with you guys. I don't want to make up everything come to you before the video. I love to just open the things, see what's going on. Now, this is the previous stuff that I put in here. Actually, I put this line in my previous video and I said we're having the breakout. I put this box right here and I said this is kind of a confluent. This is in weekly, guys. Let's put it in daily. And now I actually said that this box, we were, I think, right in here, and I said we have some kind of actually a sideways movement, but I said I'm bullish on Polkadot because this line is broken and we back tested it and we are having sideways in here. Then of course I'm not expecting just it goes all the way like this parabolic. So that's why I said we have some sideways, and we're gonna probably meet soon the all-time high against BTC. And guys, of course I accumulated Polkadot. Of course I exchanged some Solana for Polkadot, because look, now when you put from the swing, oh my god, from the why is it not working? From the, wow, from the swing high to the swing low in here, then look, if same happens which happened to Solana, which I think actually Polkadot is more deserved than Solana, because it's already been newer to the market, the CEO and everything is more like experience and all this stuff, then you know where the Solana hit already? Above these all Fibonacci retracement I just showed you in the Solana chart. And with Polkadot, we are still here. We broke this line that I love to see that is broken in every altcoin. As soon as we break this kind of a line that I have in most of the altcoin, then I'm buying into them. I'm accumulating more. That's why in my previous also video, I accumulated Chainlink. I showed to you. Go and watch it. I think I posted it like 5 hours ago, 6 hours ago. I accumulated Chainlink at 26 and it's going up. Now, the line is broken, the box is broken. We are going for the all-time high, most probably in Polkadots. And after that, the sky is the limit. That's why I am accumulating Polkadot in this point. Now let's go to the next project. What is it? The next project, where is my, here. Chainlink. Chainlink, guys, go and watch my previous video, okay? Go, please, just I put it in here. Now I see already the video is 11 minutes. If you are a fan of Chainlink, I just accumulated a lot of Chainlink today to my bag, because I saw the chart and I saw this is the most undervalued thing that going on. I started accumulating $26, posted the video 4-5 hours ago. Go and watch. I'm not just making things up, it's just right there. And if you think the channel is deserved to be subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that, okay? That's for free and that's all I ask. I want to make a great community in here, fair community. I just don't want to be a moon boy. I don't want to be a beer all the time. I'm just sick and tired of all these YouTubers and influencers that they are all the time. See, one of the categories sitting saying that we are going to the moon all the time. The other one is against them and saying we are going down. I just, that's the biggest thing I started to, the biggest reason that I sit and made my channel and my Twitter. Other than that, 5-6 years I'm already in this market, investing, trading, doing whatever. I was happy with the market, my actually performance. But now I decided since 15-16 days ago to start up this channel so we can make a fair community which is actually thinking logical, realistic, okay? If you are with me in this, welcome to the community. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, link is down below, and we will succeed together at this market. Okay, now, Avalanche. Guys, Avalanche, I've been posting video about, I think, all of them except Cardano in the past, since I made my channel, fine. I can tell you based on the experience with the community, based on the views that I got in the YouTube. My channel doesn't have so much subscribers, I understand, but still I could compare them. Avalanche unfortunately doesn't have a great community behind it. If you are in the Avalanche community, write me in the comment down below what you think about it, because when I'm comparing Avalanche to ALGORAND, guys, community is so important when it's come to altcoin. For knowing what community, how strong is it, go and watch Twitter. How many like they are talking and hashtag with all of this, and go and see how many Telegram groups, how many members the Telegram groups has, okay, how active they are. Then you can understand what is the community, how is the strength of community behind this project. Guys, the top community for me was ALGORAND and ELROND. The least was Avalanche, to be honest with you, okay? I tried so hard to spread the words about the Avalanche because this is one of the favorite projects. I don't know what's happening, why the community is not that strong. I mean, I'm so bullish on it. But I didn't see so many reactions from the Avalanche. community. But of course, regardless, I like Avalanche and we will take a deep look into it. Now, Avalanche is so good, I believe. Why? Because it broke its all-time high. Do I accumulate Avalanche in here? Absolutely yes. Why? Because Avalanche already broke its all-time high in here. Of course we are under it. Well, the retracement is a little more than expected. Probably that's because of the weakness of community, to be honest. You know, for example, there are many projects, they break their all-time high, then they go parabolic. Like for example, Solana, okay? That's the power of community, you know? Like mood, I would say. But this one had a little bit, I didn't accumulate much of it, but honestly, I'm bullish on it. But seeing that the retracement is a little bit big, but still we are above this. Now we have to watch a little bit. Now for me, this box shouldn't be touched again, to be honest. If it touched, then I'm disappointed. And but I think here should be the ultimate level of retracement for me. And where we are at the moment, exactly in here. Actually, I mean, considering that, probably is a good time to accumulate. But I honestly won't accumulate more. I have enough. So I will just keep looking and keep finger crossed for it to. It will do. It will do the job. It will do the job. I'm so bullish on all of this project. They are all good altcoin in here. They are already recognized. So it should be some action like this. Yeah. I think for me, that's my opinion. If you just agree, disagree, let me know about Avalanche. I'm so interested to know actually where the Avalanche people, AVAX army are. So if you are, Avalanche Maxi, for sure leave me a comment and say that you are existing, because I haven't seen a big community from Avalanche. Anyways, so yeah, I'm bullish in Avalanche. To be honest, I am bullish in Avalanche. Now let's move to ALGORAND. ALGORAND has a great chart. I was thinking to, I called ALGORAND $1.03. My video, actually, this was the, that's what I'm saying. ALGORAND has the great community. Any video that I'm posting about ALGORAND, getting huge amount of actually views and all this stuff. That was the, I think I had 50 subscribers or something, even less, just when I opened up the channel. And I posted a video about ALGORAND, it got 1,000 views. So I was surprised. Now, guys, ALGORAND has a great community and I love that. I was thinking just before making this video, I accumulated even more Chainlink. I was thinking to accumulate more ALGORAND too, but I stopped at the moment. I stopped. If ALGORAND was meeting its all-time high, definitely I would accumulate a lot. But also the chart of ALGORAND, these are all that we covered in the video with ALGORAND. Please go and watch my ALGORAND video. Is actually, I posted the second video about ALGORAND some days ago. I think that's helpful. But the thing is, look at this, guys. This is a special chart when it comes to trading. This is something that I can imagine it like this, I can imagine it go all the way like this. This I have seen a lot like this. Very special chart. I think none of the altcoin in the first page of CoinMarketCap has this kind of pattern. This is so bullish. But the reason that I just didn't accumulate more, because we are actually now at this level. Let me put a, yeah, we are at this level. Fine, let's break this level. But guys, if you're asking me, not a financial advice, but if you're asking me if you are in an absolute accumulation territory in this red zone, oh my goodness, that ALGORAND will probably do something unbelievable. I'm so bullish on ALGORAND, honestly. And the person behind it is a professor that is experienced in all this stuff, and ALGORAND project and all is set for a great future for ALGORAND. If you're in ALGORAND community, smash the like button. Let me know also in the comment down below what you think about ALGORAND. But the chart is just talking to me, and imagine If we are breaking really this all-time high, then oh my goodness, I would actually, this always, I'll take a look at this chart. It's just something inside me say accumulate more. And you know, I will think about it. I will think about it again after this video. Let me know, should I accumulate for more Algorand or not? Now, Cosmos. Cosmos has a, at least to my understanding, has a strong comment that Avalanche, it's already functional. They are projects. I think even Polygon Matic is on the Cosmos running, which is the most, one of the most famous, yeah. So Cosmos already up and running, smart contract are on it, and already broke its all-time high. Guys, I am also looking to get more Cosmos, but honestly, because now I have Chainlink in here, so bullish on Chainlink, I'm putting everything into the Chainlink. I hope I'm not wrong. Go and watch my Chainlink video and you will see. It's just the previous video I posted today. Go and watch and you will see what I'm talking about on Chainlink, okay? So, yeah, looking at this, all of them about 50% or even more up during the past 7 days, tell me a little bit to stop and watch the market before accumulate more, because you know we have to have some retracement. But Cosmos is also great. Why? Because it broke its all-time high, and love to get into those which breaking its all-time high. It didn't. Oh, so it wasn't Cosmos that oh, sorry, it broke. Actually is in this box. Yeah, the same box that I put on for Polkadot. Yeah, sorry, I was actually thinking that Cosmos in against BTC broke its all-time high, but I was mistaken. But this is also a nice one. This is also looking like Algorand a little bit. Look, the same pattern. Now we are battling this box. And yeah, this line for me, I put in my previous video about Cosmos. There is the video about Cosmos. You can go and watch it. But I think with watching this, only my opinion, you get my opinion. Not much different I said in the Cosmos. Probably I told a little bit about the project. But about the price, yeah, I was expecting, I put this line in my previous video, is I didn't change it yet. I said in this box we probably have some sideways action and then we will just blow up. So if you are a Cosmos, if you are holding at on all this, you believe in Cosmos, smash the like button. I'm so bullish in Cosmos. And actually today, before making this video, I was thinking to accumulate more Cosmos or Algorand or both, but at the end I went all in Chainlink. So I said for now we play with Chainlink. I hope I'm right. Tezos, wow, my god, do you remember that in the bull market when everything was going crazy, Tezos was struggling between $2 and $3? I mean, it was like a stable coin. I actually am happy that I was buying into Tezos that time. I was so disappointed because Tezos was not going up. But as I told you in most of my videos, guys, we haven't seen alt season, the real alt season. I told you that I'm dividing the alt season to recognition phase and price appreciation. And I believe we already seen in the previous, I mean, in some months ago, that when we had some kind of nice ride with alts, that was, to my belief, is a recognition phase. Okay, that for example, Avalanche, Algorand, Cosmos, Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, all of them, they were recognized. Okay, they were coming from out of nowhere, coming to the first 50 coins of the coin market cap. That was the recognition phase. And of course, if somebody was invested in them early in IC or something, it was explosive for them. And now I'm hodling because I believe that alt season, the real alt season, is just getting started. Okay, that's why we are seeing that Bitcoin goes to the sideway, alt can go up against Bitcoin. And now I think we are in the price appreciation phase, all right, that they go up crazily. That's my opinion, not a financial advice, by the way. And if you appreciate all I'm telling you guys, please just subscribe to the channel. I thank you for that. And Tezos was already recognized. To my belief, that's why Tezos was not really going up in the first phase of the alt season. It was already recognized, and at some point it was even in top 10. Okay, so it was just right there, and now it started its ride to the upside. I bought into I posted my video about Tezos. Actually, it got a lot of views in a comparison with my other video, and I think I bought into it. I think I added at 4 point, I think 9, 4.8 or 9. That was when I also made my video. I accumulated a little bit more of Tezos, and it went again crazy up. But I'm not accumulating Tezos now, and I tell you why. Because I was actually expecting this retracement, and now I'm watching closely to see if Tezos wants to come to bring this disappointment to the end. I mean, these are all I drew with the video, with Tezos video, guys. Nothing that I did alone. If you go and watch my previous video, yeah, I exactly said in my previous video, guys, that we were somewhere right here. Okay, I said that we are breaking this line. I'm buying into Tezos. Now I said that the most important line for me is this one, actually. Fine, I said is this line, which is the real last line for me to get broken. If we break this line, then Tezos could go parabolic. It will break eventually. To my beliefs, it will break eventually. But I don't accumulate buy into Tezos today, because we have to make sure that the breakout for at least this not really nice line is valid. But then we have to go for this real line. As soon as we break and we actually confirm the breakout, I am with you if you want to buy together into Tezos. This kind of confirmation, and then we can go to the ups. This is my gain on Tezos. Let me know if you are also Tezos fan, you agree with me. Smash the like button. ELROND, oh my god, ELROND community is so nice. I appreciate, guys, if you are in the ELROND community, because when I posted my video about ELROND community, they supported the video a lot. That was so nice of them, and I'm also happy that my prediction is just in its way to come true. I had my ultimate price for around $1,100, and I think it can even go above 2,000, but just to be conservative. The thing is, has very nice community, very nice project. I've been using it because they have very fast transaction, very good staking, very good wallet, Mayer wallet. I just love the project. The team behind it is also a very nice guy as a CEO. Everything is just cool and set up for ELROND to go up. I actually a little bit, not much, accumulated more ELROND today. Why? Because it broke its all-time high and did the retracement. If you are in the ELROND community and hodling, you don't know what trading is, just don't worry, hold your bag, I believe, because where is EGLD? Because it's just a normal retracement after breaking the all-time high. Now this is EGLD against BTC, which you know is my favorite pair to look at when it comes to altcoin. Yeah, now, oh my goodness, I should probably practice more to work with this trading video, guys. So I'm not a professional, I'm just, I don't know, I'm just learn some stuff and trying to share with you, and if you share with me also your stuff, I appreciate that. Fine, okay. Now, guys, that's why when I took a look at, if you just, I hope you watched, it's almost 30 minutes video. I didn't want to make it this long, but we are going through all of these coins. I hope you watched this carefully. Now I can compare. If you compare, like for example, AVAX, it also broke its all-time high with ELROND, right? But the AVAX retracement was big, while ELROND retracement is nuts. Look at it. Look at it. Look, we broke all-time high. We are absolutely up and running. But AVAX broke his all-time high and is back somewhere in try and retrace into somewhere to this area. But look how bullish ELROND is. That's why I'm saying the power, the strength of community matters, right? I believe this is running better than AVAX because of the great community that is supporting it. Yeah, guys, sorry, I just mistakenly touched the stop screen, and I'm just continue. I will add the continuation to it, so if there is some pause in between, I'm just apologizing for that. Fine. Now, I was saying this big shout out to all this ELROND community, because they are great community. That's a success for ELROND. I love to buy into altcoin which they have a big community. Now, so far for me, I'm so bullish in ELROND. I accumulated a little bit, not so much, like, but a little bit more in ELROND because I'm expecting a very nice ride as we saw in actually Solana. I expect the same. So ELROND, hodler, not a financial advice, but be ready. So I think that was all, right? That was all that we went through all of them. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment down below. Smash the like button, I appreciate that, and subscribing to the channel always is appreciated. Okay, so I would love to make a video about DeFi project. Thinking, honestly, I'm so busy these days that making even 1-2 videos per day, I'm just standing awake making this for you. I hope that you at least subscribe to the channel, so give me some more energy for this. But with all that being said, thank you for watching, thank you for your time. I wish you good luck and be blessed. Dr. Al.